Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique and I make content on home decor, home improvement, and DIY with a sprinkle of luxury and lifestyle. So if you're interested in content like that, please consider subscribing down below. So I was debating whether or not I would actually make this video, but I said, what the hell? I'm actually decorating the tree in my boyfriend's house. This year he wanted to add a little bit of red to showcase his red and black sneakers. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Right now I'm just adding the lights. This is the same Christmas tree and lights from last year. And you want to talk about a Charlie Brown or sparse tree. This tree is definitely sparse. So I had to do a lot of work to get it to look right. The first ornament I'm going to add is actually a decor piece that's shaped like an ornament, and I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got it for 50% off. So I ended up paying $10 for each, and I have 3 of those. I usually would start off with adding the ribbon, but because these ornaments were so heavy and they're not actually ornaments, I wanted to make sure that the tree could actually hold these pieces up. And I did have to play around with these ornaments for a while just to get them in the right place, but I wanted to do a triangular shape to make sure that I got the ornaments in. You can see one of those ornaments at every angle. Okay, and next I'm just going to go in with these large red ornaments. I got these from Hobby Lobby. And I have 6 of those. They come 3 in a pack, and I got 2 packs. And I also have some old 3 old black ornaments from last year, and I'm going to add those as well into any large holes that I see throughout the tree, just making sure that I kind of distribute them evenly throughout the tree. And y'all, don't judge me because I surely threw these lights up on this tree. I was so frustrated because they kept getting tangled. So yeah, it's a hot mess at the bottom, but we're gonna make it work. Make it work. Okay, and next, as the tree topper, I guess, I'm going to add the Santa Claus legs that I ordered off Amazon. They're actually supposed to kick, but the way I have this bootleg up in this tree, I'm not even going to try to get them to kick. I am going to move it around a little bit more throughout the video just to get the perfect placement, but yeah. Okay, and next I'm finally going in with the ribbon, and I'm just going to try to put it in some of the blank areas that I have between the large ornaments. I really used large ornaments and ribbon for this tree, and a few ornament clusters. So there's not a lot of ornaments on this tree, so I'm really using the ribbon to fill in open spaces. As far as the ribbon, I took the glittery black ribbon that I had last year, and I found some red velvet ribbon at Hobby Lobby, and I just placed the red velvet ribbon on top of the black ribbon, and I think it turned out really pretty. It adds a luxe look to the tree. Okay, and next I'm going to add in the ornament clusters, and these are the same black ornaments that I had last year. I kind of made them a little bit larger, and I'm going to fill this in some of the open spaces with our ornaments. Again, like I said, I didn't have a lot of ornaments with this tree, so I'm really just working with what I got. Y'all see how these ornaments keep falling off? I guess that's why people take a little bit of hot glue to secure the caps onto the ornaments so that you won't have to go through things like I'm going through right now. So here I am playing with the Santa Claus legs again, but I finally got it, and I just love how this tree turned out. It's so cute. I don't know why his tree always turns out better than mine, but whatever. I still think that it's so cute. I got those stocking holders from Target. Yeah, I think everything turned out really well. Tell me what you think down in the comment section below. But until next time, peace out.